Well, it sounds like we don't have too many more days of the hot weather left before it cools down, Gina.
No, just tomorrow. We just got to get through tomorrow. Temperatures in the mid-80s, and then we are finally going to start to cool down into the 70s, and then about a 15 to 20 degree temperature drop by the weekend. So that's going to definitely cool us down quite a bit. Taking a look at some of the current temperatures across Arizona, 60s and 70s across the southern part of the state. Near freezing in Flagstaff, it is freezing, 32 degrees at Window Rock, 54 right now in Show Low, mid-60s across Wilcox and Globe. Here in Tucson, though, pretty mild at the airport. We're at 74 degrees, humidity dropping just a little bit in the last day. We're at 16%, and the winds are pretty calm. Coming in from the east at 6 miles per hour, and yes, if you thought today felt hot, well, it was. The high was 89 degrees, 2 degrees away from meeting a record set all the way back in 1934. That normal high temperature for this time of year is 74 degrees, so we are still sitting well above the average high temperature for this time of year. Our low earlier this morning, 52 degrees. So one more day sitting at temperatures this warm. And then finally, a cooling down for us. I know we're all looking forward to it, but with that cooling down, no rain. Still, those dry conditions are going to stick around. So here are some of those high temperatures because a few of us did make it to 90. 90 was the high in Gila Bend, a degree warmer in Phoenix. 75 in Prescott, mid-60s in Flagstaff, Show Low, and Window Rock. And then across much of the rest of southeastern Arizona, temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s. And that's about where the southern plains were today as well. Dallas at 78, up in Kansas City, low 60s, pretty mild up in Minneapolis where they were at 61 degrees, and then up in the northeast, 50s and 60s for them. So those are some mild temperatures, and sitting at temperatures in the upper 50s across much of the southeast, which is a lot cooler for them. And this is why all of that rain from Tropical Storm Ida, it has made its way on land, the center of the storm right now in parts of Alabama. So from about Atlanta to Charlotte, all the way over into Raleigh, they are going to be seeing a lot of rain this evening, some widespread flash flooding, about 8 inches expected overnight. So the storm is very, very slow moving and that rain just keeps falling. So that's why we have to keep an eye out for it. Otherwise, though, a few clouds kind of moving through the northern plains. Then on the other end of the country, we're keeping our eye out for that low pressure system we were talking about yesterday in the Pacific Northwest. Some rain up in Washington and Oregon again, starting to push towards the east, and then to the south of that, you see that we've got some clouds rolling through. Otherwise, though, that's about it. Arizona still looking pretty clear. One more day, like I said, of temperatures in the mid-80s, and then we've got some low pressure that's going to start to roll through and really cool us down. Those breezes are going to start to pick up as well. So you can see right now on our satellite radar map for southern Arizona, not too much to talk about, but as the night continues on, we are going to start to see some clouds roll in, and then tomorrow we'll have a semi-cloudy day. Overnight lows, 40s and 50s, so pretty nice out tonight, and then tomorrow afternoon, mid-80s across much of southern Arizona. Here in Tucson, though, we'll be cooling down to about 57 degrees, so kind of chilly. Clouds sticking around overnight and into tomorrow, a lunchtime temperature of around 80, and then we're going to warm up to about 84 degrees. So it is going to be a very, very nice day, a little bit cooler tomorrow than it was today. So hopefully you'll be able to start to feel this cooling down trend. Taking a look at the 7-day outlook, look at this because by Friday, temperatures in the low 70s, and then into Saturday and Sunday, oh my gosh, temperatures in the upper 60s. Who's excited? I am very much. It's going to be really, really nice, and that is where we should be for mid-November. So we'll actually feel like it's fall in southern Arizona.
Okay, thanks, Gina.